Hi again. Time flies. We have arrived to the final project now. An elegant double-sided cape vest. Here we will choose a lace design material and matching color Italian heavy luxe. As usual, you can download the draft for a better reference. You can choose floral or any material with design to match with plain fabric. For this design, we prefer wrinkle-free fabric. We have a lot of lace material here. Which one is your favorite? We decided to choose this beige color lace fabric and match with this heavy and smooth fabric. To begin, vertically single fold the plain fabric. Place the paper pattern and secure with sewing pins. Before we start cutting, please make sure the material is 90-degree vertical straight. Mark the shoulder opening area with chalk and we will cut it out now. This paper pattern is included with allowance. Please ensure you cut the material on a big table that you can place the material evenly and smoothly. Secondly, please notice that this material is with a border. We will cut the border away, remain at 2.5 cm. Single fold the lace material. Place the paper pattern on top of the fabric. Secure with sewing pins and we will cut it out now. As a side note, this is a 152 cm white material. We can sew an extra dress with the remaining fabric. The remaining side material can be used as a collar or belt in your future project too. Before we start sewing, we will trace the shoulder opening area line to the back. Please use a tracing paper and roll with the small tracing wheel. The same process applies to the lace material too. We select an outstanding color tracing paper like blue or red. This shoulder opening area will be our very first step in sewing this cape vest. Make a center line of this shoulder opening with the white stitch thread. We will suggest you to use an outstanding color thread. The same process will be shown on the plain color fabric too. With this center line marking, we can then easily place two fabric center lines together accurately. Because of the actual fabric size is big, we will brief you with a smaller piece of example. Sew this shoulder opening area, cut away the extra fabric in the center and turn the top layer over and press iron all the seams neatly. Place these two fabrics right side to right side. Take the center line as guidance. Secure with sewing pins while following the line. Once we are ready, we shall start sewing. Sew following the square line. For easy sewing, you can place the sewing pins 2 cm outside the sewing line. After that, we have to cut the center fabric away. Leave 1 cm allowance at all sides and point cut at 4 corners. Fold the material over and we will get this rectangular shape. Press iron all 4 sides. I will see you in the final lesson.